Hello everyone, it's Lindsay from the Vintage Button, a junk journal a slow stitch should do that as sustainably as possible, and we are Junk Journal July-ing. We're on day 30, I can't quite believe, which is Snipped Word. Now, I was going to cut a load of magazines up and then I remembered my Victorian letter, so we're going to snip our word, or actually we're going to tear our word from that, or our words, but you could use anything for your snipped words. Go into, I might do a video about it, I'll put it on my list I think. Let me know in the comments if you want me to. You could use your books and magazines, there's all kinds of things that you can do for looking and finding different words, different phrases, different quotes, and snipping them out, having them to one side, and just generally using them. Okay, so what are we going to do? I have this, it's like a double page spread, but I've reduced it, so it's from the Bee Happy Stationery Dreams by the Sea kit. So I thought it's going to be so simple. I'm just going to glue, I'm not even going to glue it completely on. I'm going to make sure my glue works. My glue does work. I can see that it works. I'm going to glue it on. I might do some other bits in the background before I do that, and I will certainly put some gold around the outside. Then I have this writing. I'm trying to find, where was it? There was a little bit, and it said about July. That since 1st July, I don't know what that says back, he has found to the, I don't know. But we're just going to use that, since the 1st of July, because I just thought we're nearly at the end of Junk Journal July, and this is a way of sort of celebrating that. Shall we have it as a page flag? And I'm not going to tear it, because normally I do fussy tearing, but let's do something slightly different. So I'm going to cut it and make it like a flag. There we go, because then I am snipping the word. So, since 1st July, I like that, I like that. And then I thought I would make a really simple paper bow. I think I'm gonna use this pink fabric somehow. Paper bow, let's do that, to sort of make a paper bow. Really easy making a paper bow. It's just a matter of squidging. We'll see how big we want it. We can reduce it in size. I always start a little bit bigger, then I can always reduce it back. Let's use a bit of that to do the loopy loop. It's going to be a really simple one, but you know what, I think at this stage in the game that's probably what we need. We are still in the grips of a heat wave in the UK. I'm in the southeast corner, and it was quite a lot. It was quite hot today. Remember, we don't have AC, so the heat builds and it keeps on building, but I'm glad I didn't have to work in it. I just I did a bit of slow stitching. I watched some documentaries because I'm on annual leave. It was too hot to go anywhere really. So I just thought, me and my husband just thought, well, we'll just have a lazy day. That's what leave is meant to be for, rest and recuperation. So I'm just going to pinch that. We can have a bit of dimension now. This journal is nearly full. What I will be doing is I will be going through the journal, and I will be finding any blank spots, and I will just be kind of going through the kit that I've still got left over. And what have I glued that side for? I don't know, because I don't particularly want it yet. I just wanted to make it We won't worry. In fact, I'm going to stick something else over that. There we go. That's probably going to hold it all in better anyway. There we go. So yeah. So we didn't, because we were quite active over the weekend. I had a crafting date with a friend, and we did a lot of sort of running around. And then, was it Monday? Was it Tuesday? When did I get that? It was yesterday. That was unexpected, the little tour of Cambridgeshire to find my plate rack. Unexpected, but very, very happy. So yeah, I want this, I think, to be backed onto a little bit of this sort of pinky fabric, because it's got the pinks and the blues and all the colours. And it can be like roughly done. So let's glue that on. So yeah, this letter is from the 1800s. It's from the 1890s. As you can see, there's a bit of a date there. And I got it a few years ago, but I got like a big load of letters, and they have just been in my stash. Like I said, I do need to scan some in. I think you should use your supplies. If you've got like old antique letters, scan them in and then use them. Now I might put a bit of gold. Shall I put a bit of gold? I might put a bit of gold. I have this kind of colour, which I used yesterday, sort of around here when I was finishing that off. Will that go? I can always go over it with some other gold. Why not? So yeah, so we're all a bit grumpy because of the heat, I think. But it's going to cool down now. And then we'll be able to get on. I want to go out somewhere tomorrow. I think I want to go to a sunflower field. I'll see if the weather, if it's not that much cooler, then we'll do that another day when it's definitely going to get cooler as the next week and a half goes. So we might just do Risby Barns, because that's always nice and quiet. And go and have a cup of tea in the cafe. Oh, I like it. It's different from the gold. Let's go around the outside. Do we want the shimmer or do we want the pen? I think we might want the shimmer just because I can't find the pen, although I'll want the pen in a minute. Let's move the journal to one side. Got me. Might make a snippet roll with like all these sort of background sort of painty papers that have just been used to keep the journal tidy. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how much time I've got really, because I've got other things I've got to be getting on with. It might be a nice thing to do. It might be a good sort of mini break thing for when I'm back at work actually, if I set the kit up and then I'll just have it to one side. That's really helpful sometimes. I quite like that. Now I want to work on this. I want to bling it up. Is it too big? I think it is a tad too big, but I'm just going to fold it back in on itself. It'll give it a little bit more dimension. End up putting silver on it. See what silver does. Oh, actually silver would be nice. So I'm just going to put some stripes. Really rough stripes. I think it was in my bag push journal, I made some lovely bows that were bright colours and then they had like gold stripes on them. So I wanted a toned down version of that. And you might have noticed that I have repeated motifs in this journal, and that's okay because I've been teaching myself things. And sometimes we go through this pressure to get, you know, like everything has to be very different, and it doesn't really. You're developing your thoughts. It's an, you know, an art journal. I guess if you were making the journal to give away, then you might want it to be all different all the time. But, you know I'm not doing that. I'm just sort of teaching myself things and using it as an opportunity to teach myself things. So it's okay. So this paper is napkins that I have PVA glued, white glued onto book page, and I've got it's my most watched video really, and it's only a month or so old. There's like 11,000 people who've watched it, like a napkin 101, and I might do some 101 videos. So let me know in the comments, is there like a video like that one that just teaches one basic thing but has lots of examples of it? That's basically where that came from. There was 2 videos actually. The first one was where I just sort of offered up a basic concept, and then the other one was, you know, this is how you do it. Ooh, I like that. I like that. Now what did I do with the glue? There it is. Very simple, but really I like it a lot. Right, let's put that there. I don't know how this is all going to fit in the book, but I will make it fit. I'm just going to put a lot of globby glue on it. Stick it on. Okay. That's since 1st of July. I've been making a video most days. Had some technical problems, some brain problems of missing some days, but most of the days I've been here and I thoroughly enjoyed it. Now, I think it needs to really be tipped quite so that it'll fit in, because it has to not come out too much on the other side. So let's tuck that bow right in that corner, and that can all be kind of glued onto there. I might go back in with that silver, or I might not worry about it. Okay, so that's there. What do we want on the outside here? I would like, I think, a bit of this colour peachy, and there's a blue. There's a blue, and then I think a darker one of that. So there will be a live, I'll work it out with me and my better half, on the 1st of August. I think I've got a rough idea of time zones, so it'll be to suit the east coast of America and the UK. But I'll still, so put your time zone if you want, just put like where you are, and then I'll just keep going, you know, like keep kind of crunching numbers of where people are for that time zone. And then we can all get together. And so I think I'll have the other half will be reading comments and just generally helping me, and we'll be doing a flip through of the journal. Yeah, if you've got any questions, I think, you know, that would be a time to be asking questions. I like that, but I do need some blue, and I've been loving this. I'm loving this blue. I feel that like the journal has in some ways loosened me up a bit. Like I feel like I've taught myself a little bit about paint, a little bit more than what I knew before. Wear that. Do we want another colour? What about... Go nice and painterly. Well, it's not, it's crayony. I could go in and water that down. It wouldn't water the paints down because that's a wax. The paint sticks, they're a wax. But I don't want to. I kind of like the grain on that paper. Okay, I could stick it down loosely, but I don't think I will. I think I'll stick it down as a whole. Then we'll be done. And then tomorrow is Calm Heart. So let me know, do you want me to do a meditation? Because I can do. I have a bit of an idea of what I'm going to do. Oh, did I put any glue there? So I have to work it out if I have. Nice. There it is. Quick 17-minute spread. It's very pretty. So, Bee Happy Stationery Dreams by the Sea kit. It is one of the journal spreads that I've reduced down. Yeah. I like it. I hope you will join me tomorrow. Like I said, let me know in the comments. Do you want a meditation? Do you not want a meditation? It's okay either way. And we will be doing Calm Heart. And then, like I said, I will spend some time I might take a load of stuff downstairs, some glue and bits and pieces, my little basket, and then just have a nice play. It's cooler downstairs than what it is up here. But there we go. Thank you very much for joining me. I'll look forward to talking to you tomorrow and talking to you in real time at some point on Saturday. It's coming close. I'll try and release a time tomorrow. Yeah. Alright then. Bye bye.